Hi, welcome to today's review of the Apollo Gradient. This is a full suspension mountain bike made by Apollo. So let's get into it. So what do you get? Frame set. So this has got a lightweight aluminium swing arm and an aluminium mainframe. The wheels aren't awful, they're quite chunky, but they're a little bit untidy. This is always a place to tell. That's not bad, well done actually. You get mounts for a down tube mudguard, you get mounts for a bottle cage, obviously you get full suspension, you get a placeable trailer hanger, obviously you get your suspension coil, that is as basic as it gets, and the forks are Apollo's own. Here we go, gimbal's playing up, give me a second. Go. The forks are Apollo's own brand forks. So the components, what do you get component wise? You get an alloy stem with a steel bar. You get Shimano RevoShift shifters and 21 gears. You get Tournay front mech, a Tournay rear mech, 7-speed freewheel. You get disc brakes that I believe are made by, I just need to check. Get Clark's, I don't know if you can see this, there we go. You get Clark's disc brakes. You get Shimano's lowest chain set. You get plastic pedals. You get an Apollo branded seat and a steel seat post, and a bell and mud guards and things. So the build quality, as we've said before, isn't bad. I don't feel like there's any shakes in the bike at all, so that's a good thing. The look, well, I think it looks the part. I think it really does look the part. Aluminium full suspension bike. Yeah, I think it looks nice. I think it's an attractive looking bike. I didn't mention the wheels. You get, are they 27s? Yeah, you get 27-inch wheels with V tyres on them, off-road tyres. So, value for money. On paper it feels like you're getting a lot. When you step back and look at the complete bike, you think aluminium frame, full suspension, disc brakes. But this thing weighs an absolute ton. The forks are unbelievably heavy. Would I buy one? I think because of the weight, no. And I'll tell you why. Because you're paying a lot of money for front suspension forks and rear suspension, whereas if this was just a hardtail, it'd be a really nice bike. If it was just a rigid bike, it would be a really nice bike. But because it's got that heavy suspension system and those awful front forks, no, I wouldn't buy one personally. Are they value for money? Yeah, I guess they are good value for money if what you want is something with full suspension. It ticks all the boxes, but that is such a heavy bike. That's the thing. I think these could easily put people off cycling. Sorry, we had a customer come in. But yeah, would I buy one? No. This suspension on the front and back is not worth the extra weight that this bike carries in order to have that suspension. That's my opinion. If you've got one of these and you love it, we'd like to know. If you've got one of these and you wish you'd never bought one, we'd like to know as well. Tell us your opinion in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope this has helped you out. See you in the next one.